Welcome to Science Decoded, where we explore the biggest mysteries of science and the universe. Today, we're asking one of the most terrifying questions imaginable. What would happen if the sun suddenly disappeared? Would Earth freeze instantly? Would gravity vanish? Or would life continue, if only for a little while? Let's discover the astonishing scientific truth. Number 1. A normal day, until everything changes. Imagine waking up on an ordinary morning. Birds are singing, traffic fills the streets, and sunlight pours through your window. Then, without warning, the sun simply disappears. Not explodes, not fades away. It is simply gone. No flash, no sound, no explosion. Across the solar system, everything appears perfectly normal for now. Although the sun has vanished, Earth continues moving through space exactly as before. At least, that's what everyone believes during the first few extraordinary minutes. Number 2. Would Earth notice immediately? Surprisingly, the answer is no. Light doesn't travel instantly. It moves at nearly 300,000 kilometers per second. Since Earth orbits about 150 million kilometers from the sun, sunlight takes approximately 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. That means if the sun suddenly disappeared, Earth wouldn't notice right away. During those 8 minutes, daylight would continue normally, birds would keep flying, people would continue working, and every clock on Earth would tick forward as though nothing had happened. Number 3. The last sunrise. Exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds after the sun disappeared, the final sunlight reaches Earth. Then, in a single breathtaking moment, daylight ends forever. The sky instantly turns black, even at noon. The moon disappears because it can no longer reflect sunlight. Every planet becomes invisible to the naked eye. Across the world, millions of stars suddenly appear in the daytime sky, creating the most beautiful and most terrifying view humanity has ever witnessed. Earth's longest night has finally begun. Number 4. 8 minutes of normal life. Those first 8 minutes reveal one of Einstein's greatest discoveries. Information cannot travel faster than light, not even gravity. As long as Earth's last sunlight continues arriving, the planet also continues feeling the sun's gravitational pull. Gravity and light both travel at the speed of light. So during those final minutes, Earth follows its normal orbit, completely unaware that its star has already disappeared. Only when gravity's final influence arrives does everything begin to change forever. Number 5. Gravity finally lets go. The moment the sun's gravity no longer reaches Earth, our planet stops orbiting instantly. But Earth doesn't stop moving. Instead, it continues racing through space at nearly 30 kilometers per second, traveling in a perfectly straight line. Imagine swinging a ball tied to a string. If the string suddenly breaks, the ball flies forward instead of circling. That's exactly what happens to Earth. Without the sun's gravity bending its path, our planet begins an endless journey into the darkness between the stars. Number 6. The temperature begins to fall. Without the sun, Earth immediately loses its primary source of heat. However, our planet doesn't freeze instantly. The atmosphere and oceans store enormous amounts of thermal energy, acting like a giant blanket. During the first 24 hours, the average global temperature would drop from around 15 degrees Celsius to nearly 0 degrees Celsius. Within a week, it would fall to approximately minus 18 degrees Celsius. Cities would become frozen landscapes, rivers would begin icing over, and survival outdoors would rapidly become impossible across most of the world. Number 7. Would the oceans freeze solid? At first glance, it seems the oceans would instantly become solid ice. Surprisingly, that's not what happens. Water stores heat extremely well. The upper layers of the oceans would freeze first, creating a thick shell of ice. Beneath that frozen surface, liquid water could remain for hundreds or even thousands of years because geothermal heat from Earth's interior continues warming the deepest regions. Long after the surface becomes frozen, hidden oceans would still exist beneath the ice, much like Jupiter's moon Europa. Number 8. The end of photosynthesis. Plants depend on sunlight to produce energy through photosynthesis. Once darkness covers Earth permanently, this process stops almost immediately. Within days, many plants begin dying. Crops fail across the globe, forests slowly wither, and the food chain starts collapsing. Herbivores lose their food source, followed by predators that rely on them for survival. While some microorganisms can survive without sunlight, most complex ecosystems would gradually disappear. Earth's vibrant green world would slowly transform into a cold, silent planet, unlike anything humanity has ever experienced. Number 9. Could humanity survive? Despite these catastrophic changes, humanity might not disappear immediately. Underground shelters, nuclear power stations, geothermal energy, and advanced technology could provide heat and electricity for years. Scientists believe isolated communities could survive beneath Earth's surface, growing food using artificial lighting and carefully managed ecosystems. Deep underground laboratories and geothermal regions would become humanity's final refuges. Life would be unimaginably difficult, but our species has repeatedly shown an extraordinary ability to adapt even in the harshest environments imaginable. Number 10. Earth becomes a rogue planet. As centuries pass, Earth continues drifting through interstellar space with no sun to orbit. Astronomers call such worlds rogue planets that wander freely between the stars. Eventually, Earth's surface temperature would fall below -200 degrees Celsius, leaving the planet almost entirely frozen. Yet deep beneath the crust, geothermal heat could still maintain pockets of liquid water. Even after losing its star, Earth might continue hiding small islands of warmth beneath an endless frozen shell, carrying the last traces of life through the darkness. Number 11. What happens to the other planets? Earth wouldn't be alone. Every planet in the solar system would experience the same fate. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune would all leave their orbits at the exact moment the sun's gravity stopped reaching them. Instead of circling a central star, each planet would continue moving in the direction it was already traveling, slowly drifting apart over millions of years. The solar system would no longer exist as a planetary family. It would become a collection of lonely worlds wandering endlessly through interstellar space. The sun is far more than a bright object in our sky. It provides light, warmth, gravity, energy, and the stable environment that allows life to exist. Every sunrise powers forests, oceans, weather, and every living creature on Earth. Without it, our planet would become a frozen rogue world drifting endlessly through space. The next time you feel the warmth of sunlight on your face, remember that you're experiencing the extraordinary power of a star that has protected life for over 4.5 billion years. Thank you for watching Science Decoded. If this journey changed the way you think about our sun and the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible science documentaries. What topic should we explore next? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring and keep decoding science.